sound, sound. Hit him with a sound, hit him with the sound, hit him with the sound, hit him with that sound, hit him with the sound, hit him with that sound, hit him with that sound, rolling with that 30 round. Every time we touch, then we burning on a pound. Man, I'm so underground. Or maybe highlight space bound. Leave your ass up in the motherfucking lost and found. Smoking up on that kush to let my motherfucking mind go. Cause I'm going a little crazy, yo. I'm dipping in that fofo, mobbing through the city, ho. And you know that's what's up. We be sipping, man. We just tryna let the what? Let the pain flush away, man. We want it all down the drain. I be smoking on this Mary Jane, thinking about my baby girls, man. I'm like, man, Papa never seen him, but you know he love him though. It's me against the world. Baby mama done ran off with my baby girl. I know it was my fault too, but I'm like, you had a part in it too. I'm like, we both gotta get a clue. That little baby girl, she need us, man. She need us both. My daughter, man, she need us both. That little girl, man, she need us both. Then you wanna run out with my baby, though. Seen a picture of her, man, she looked all sad. Now I'm like, man, every day I'm staying away, and she need me up in her life. And I ain't got no wife, but when I go up on the track, man, I'm sharper than a knife, man. And every day I'm getting high as a kite, rolling, man, sipping on that motherfucking Sprite. All my shit sound tight, cause it's after midnight. Man, I play my pump for mister, I know that I wasn't good to you. Now I'm like, I know I gotta get a clue. And you know, man, I'm praying every day to ask God to forgive me, man. And I'm like, can't take this pain, can't take this pain. And I be smoking on that Mary Jane, you already know. And I be higher than a pine, and you know that's how I do it, ho. I ain't got no time for these gangs or these hoes, though. I'm sipping on the what, on that Ciroc, and you already know. Bad bitches bust it open, man, they find this fuck, so I be scoping. And I'ma do it, though. Chillin', man, just wanna chase my dreams. I'm rolling in the what? That drop top lamb. Call me Young Sammy, you already know I don't really give a damn. And I'm rolling, smoking, I'm talking, I'm tryna let my mind go. I don't give a fuck about a hoe no more. I'm just gonna let go with death till death call my name. I can't be a lame, and I'ma do it up. Bitches, they talking that shit, but I'm really not giving a fuck, cause I'm all over the buck. And y'all already know when I'm buck, I'll tell that hater to duck. And talking all that shit, I'ma keep it legit. Man, I stay humble, y'all already know I'ma make the beat crumble. I don't give a fuck what everybody gotta say about me, cause I'm rolling up my tree. Man, I got that kush smoke, no joke. I'm in the studio, trying to get this bankroll. Trying to get this bankroll. Y'all already know, trying to get the bankroll, cause that's just how we go. From the 9 to the 7 to the O, Colorado, hit you with the flow. Young Sam, going so ham, y'all already know he don't give a damn.